It's Brennan the Paleo Dude here with another video. I'm at Toys R Us in the Jurassic World section. As you can see, they have stocked up on like 2 new figures. Yay, we got 2 more. What an assortment. I haven't seen this guy in a while. It was at Walmart a couple months ago, and then I never saw it since, so this is good. Very great they've got this in stock. And also they have these guys, which have been at Walmart for a while now. They're finally out here. We've got some Dinorivals themed humans, a bunch of Dennis Nedrys, I don't think there's anything else, 2 masks, and then the Raptor sets and the Brachio. And it's a sale, 25% off. You gotta have everything. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little update on Toys R Us and what's going on here. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, all that jazz, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.